Welcome everyone to Planet Papas. Today we're on the main beach in Chaweng. And it's a bit rough. The sun is out, beautiful day, but the water is not. So it's a bit wild on the beach today. So let's go have a look. As you can see, there is no shoreline today. It's all the way up in the hills. Like, here it comes, here it comes. That's beautiful. We're actually going to walk this way. It's Koh Samui Tropics. The Elephant Beach Club, newer to Samui than the water. See how beautiful it is? Then you can't have any sunrise. Almost got knocked over. So another hotel under construction. Not sure which one this is actually. Now we're heading back this way. I couldn't go back anymore that way because it was too crazy. There's no shoreline whatsoever. So now we're heading back toward the ARK Bar. So now I can show you the construction going on at the ARK Bar. The hotel has not been open yet. They still do the night shows with the live firing coconuts and different live events there. But the hotel itself is still way under construction. They're supposed to be done by the December deadline, but it looks close. They still have a month. They might be able to do it. So this is going to be brand new area. It's going to be completely changed of what you guys remember the ARK Bar to be. And this is the other side of it. So there's quite a bit of construction still going on. It goes all the way still on this side. And who knows when they're going to finish this. But in tight time, you never know. They might be able to do it. So if you think about it before, usually the water goes a good 500 meters this way. So this used to be all beachfront area. It's just the tide is really in this today. Should be fine tomorrow. So let's see what happens tonight. There's the Chaweng garden. Went there the other day as well. Sadika. We'll do a video on the other side again and go through there next time. But for today, just a video on this side. It's not looking so pretty today. All the staff at every hotel on the beachfront are amazing. They actually clean up the beach area and they put it in bags and take it off the beach so the beach remains clean at all times, which is incredible.
Very cool.
Now we're gonna go back through Ben Chaweng Hotel. I'm gonna show you through the hotel and move on to the main road for today. That's going to do it for today on Planet Papas. Press the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring my bell so you know what's going on in the next videos coming up. Till then, we'll catch you on the flip side. I think I like to swing today on the beach. Oh my God, I love it. Whee!